For deep learning or for neural network, the basic thing is the activation function. So okay, so we will do the practicals on this, how this code is working and how we are writing this code. Okay, so first we are going for the logistic function again. Okay, so basically this architecture is used for LSTM and GRU in case of RNN. RNN is a recurrent neural network and LSTM is a long short-term memory. So this basically used for the text classification purpose. Okay, so in logistic function, if we are defining in terms of Python, so we are writing the definition of this that define the logistic function as x of s, and we are returning the function as 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x, and for that we are using the NumPy library as np dot e to the exp in bracket minus xs. Okay, then after that we are defining the logistic derivative of that one. So in terms of logistic derivative, we are also returning the same function as in Python. Already it's covered how to define the function and how to return it. Okay, so we are getting the derivative of that one. So it is np dot exponential of x of s divide in bracket 1 plus np dot exp exponential of x of s to the power, and it is a sign of power. Then we are plotting the function with the help of plot activation function logistic. We are giving the first logistic. We are giving the two parameters in that, the logistic and logistic derivative. If you want to plot a simple logistic function, so we are also writing the same code, plot activation function. It is already coming, and we are saying that it's a logistic function for derivative of it. So we will try to do this one. Okay, so we will try it if it is going to run or what it will be give me. You will be get an error. Why it is going that? Because we are missing one positional error. As in the definition of the plot, we are defining the two functions. Okay, if we are defining the single function, then we have to again define the same function for single one. So I again rewrite one function for plotting the activation function. So I am giving the name as plot activation function 1. As given above, they are passing the two parameter fn and dfn for derivative of this one. Okay, so for plotting this one, I am just giving the name. I am just giving the name as name common dfn. The same function I am giving the range of -5 to 5. If you want to change, then it will be going to the change at np.linespace at -5 to 5. If I am giving that -4 to 4, it will working at a -4 to 4. Okay. So if you want to try, then we can try up to -10 to 10. It's not a big deal. Okay. And after that figure, plot dot figure, it's showing to the 10 to 5. Okay. Then SNS. SNS is a C bond. Okay, so it will be giving you looking attractionness. Then after that we are giving the title as a function, and with the help of grid, whether we need a grid or not. Okay, so at the time of running that, it will be showing the grid lines of if we don't need, then we need to give the B equal to false. So it will be not giving us the grid. Okay, that function we are writing now, it's showing one error. So after that I am just giving the function name, this one, and I am just passing one function, single pass. So it will be going to the output in such a way that, okay, so it is giving us the output, and as it is in the range of -4 to 4, that's why it is printing in the -4 to 4 range. If I am using only the single function name logistic, then can it will be print or not? Let's see. If it is print, then it will showing that it is going to the print, or else. But why it is given? Because at the time of writing the code, we are giving the title. Okay, so you just see here what we are giving, the label name as df of x by x, df by dx. That's why the label is same. Okay, so it is for the, basically we are using for giving the output for derivative function. Okay, if you want to use for, if you want to write that code, okay, so again we will say get the same code. Okay, for every function you can write the plotting function. Okay, for tanh it is also working as same, the tanh function. So we will going for in deep how tanh function is basically work. It is a rescale version of the logistic function. Why we are telling that it is a rescale function? Because it is a completely zero centered one. Why we are saying it is completely zero centered one? Because it is a bias. Okay, and if we are working, if we know the hypothetics functions, that the outliers functions, if we know that there are the two planes, so if most of the, if we are going, if we know the functions of research methodology, app test, so app test is also a zero centered function. Okay, in such a way that the tanh function is that one. So f of x equal to twice of L twice x minus 1, and its derivative is 4 times as it is twice x is given. So if we are using the logistic function for this, in terms of the logistic expression, so L is replaced with e to the power twice x upon e to the power twice x plus 1, as L is given as a twice of x. And its derivative is a 4 into e to the power twice x upon e to the power twice x plus 1 square, as is like as logistic function. Define tanh x of s, and we are defining the function with the proper indentation as a return twice into, in here you just observe, and this is a writing in such a way that, and we are just passing the logistic function as we are defining the logistic twice of x s minus 1, or instead we can write this function directly in such a way. Okay, but we are not writing, as already we writing one function for logistic, and for that logistic derivative function is also given, but we are only passing the twice of x's. that define tan h derivative or return 4 into logistic derivative of twice into xs. Then plot the function tan h. We are passing the two parameters tan h and tan h derivative. If you want to try this one, so you can also use the same thing, plot underscore activation function, and it's also given. So just enter it, you will be get, and whatever you can say. I'm just giving the name tan h derivative, then comma tan h underscore how it is not going to run, comma tan h. Just take it and try to run it. Whether it plot two plots or single plot, let's see. Okay, so in same cell we are getting the two output. Okay, it is hard to study, that's why we are going to separate that one. Okay, and after that ReLU function I already explained, but how to write it, it is a main important question. So define ReLU x of s colon, it is saying that np dot array, so it's passed the array function directly. So whatever the input we have, it will be directly passed. If negative equal to x of s is less than 0 and positive equal to inverse of negative, and y equal to np dot empty function in bracket x s dot shape. Why we are passing the shape? Because we need to find what is the nature of the array, where it is in the sequential, or it is in another pattern, or it is completely negative value, or it has exactly how much value it is. Okay, so np.empty will check, and after that we are giving the two concept that y equal to positive equal to x of positive. If it is giving that one, so it will be written y. Okay, means y as a positive value, that x of s equal to positive, else y equal to negative, it will be going to the written y value. And derivative in such a way that in derivative function, the ReLU derivative of x of s is given, because we already passed the NPR in there. So negative equal to x of s is less than 0, and positive is the same way, but also same. But we are only giving the two function y of pos equal to 1 and y of negative value equal to 0 and return y. Then plotting the activation function for that. Again, if you want to plot for the single derivative function, because why I am giving to give this example, array to for derivative. Whether this will one run in same column, let's check. Okay. Okay. So it is very hard to understand that one. That's why we are taking that derivative and to be easily understand. The ReLU here only the alpha is added. So alpha is any value that we are putting that one. Okay. So for writing the code, it is same as a ReLU x of s colon np dot array comma alpha colon float. The negative value x of s is less than 0 and positive value equal to negative of negation, and y equal to np dot empty x of s dot shape, then y of positive equal to x of this, and y of negative only we are writing, instead of 0 we are putting the alpha into x of s into negative and returning the y. And Ricky ReLU, then the